In this video, we are going to assemble the National 5 graphics project of the bird feeder. So the first thing we're going to do is click New, make sure that we've got metric down the side, and we're going to select the standard millimetre assembly. We're then going to go to Place, and we're going to find all parts of our bird feeder in our OneDrive. So once I've found them, I can just hold down Shift and select them all. I'm then just going to click on the screen and then press Escape on my keyboard so that I don't place too many. Now it's important to make sure that one part of your object is always grounded so that it doesn't move. So in this case, I'm going to take my part, right click it and go to grounded. And that just means that it won't move. Everything else can move freely, but the casing is going to stay still. Now to put on the top, I'm going to click Constrain, and then I'm going to find the center axis of my case and the center axis of my top. And you can see here that they'll go up and down, however it won't go side to side. I'm then going to find the center axis of the small circles of the casing and the small circles of the top. And that has now been fully constrained. It can't move left to right or up and down. For the bottom, I'm going to find the center axis of the case and the bottom. I'm going to drag the bottom down once I have constrained that, just to make it easier. And then I'm going to find the center axis of the kind of semicircle on both parts. And again, that now means that it is fully constrained. It can't go up and down or left and right. It's stuck to the casing. For the last part, again, I'm going to click Constrain and find the center axis of my hanging rod and the center axis of the hole that it should go in. And we can see here it's stuck on that axis. However, we need to make it in alignment with this bottom part. So I'm going to click Constrain. I'm going to click the face of the small part at the bottom. Make sure that my solution is changed to flush so that it's in alignment with it. And then I'm going to click the face of my hanging rod, and you can see there that it's moved it back slightly so that everything is in a line with each other. That's now the bird feeder fully assembled. So we're going to go up to the big eye in the corner, click Save As, and then in our OneDrive, save the assembly so that it's somewhere safe.